What's up, everybody? How you doing? What's up, Colin? This is for you. Look, this is Colin's planet. Colin was in this week, and he was working a little bit more on his planet. This is going to be Saturn. We're going to figure out the rings, but the balloon is out now, Colin, and I told him I was going to work on this. So, Colin, I'm working on the bottom of your Saturn right now. So, look, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. It's a little tricky because I'm trying to figure out how to make it round, but I have some ideas. So I'm going to show you. It's sort of like a little lesson in paper mache in addition to like a note to Colin. So look, I got this packing tape. It's really cool. It activates when it gets wet. And I'm using that because it's really super strong. You can tear it, but not really because it's got this stringy stuff in it. It's used for packing boxes and stuff. So I use this stuff. I'm going to show you. Colin, I hope you're okay with this because it's got to be done because this is the only way to seal off this sphere. So look what I'm going to do. Watch, I'll show you. I'm going to try to keep organized so it's not messy looking. This is a wet paper towel that I'm wetting. There's usually a machine to do this, but I'm just going to wet this thing. Now it's sticky. It's so sticky. And then I did this a little bit paper mache. I'm doing something like this. I think it needs to be more sticky. Hold on. I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to go like this. And don't worry, Colin, I'm going to paper mache over this stuff. See what I'm doing? See what's happening? And then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to give it a little push up. So this sticks to this. And then I'm going to figure out how to hang this so that it's sitting like this so that the weight of gravity pulls this down so it stays more like a sphere. So, Colin, that's what I'm doing right now. And it's very time consuming. So I'm not working on this for so long at a time because I got to let that dry a little bit and push down a bit. And then I put another piece. And I'll show you this. This is kind of tricky. Watch this. This is cool. It's actually really tricky. Oh, I have a piece over here that I cut. Yeah, watch this. This is it's like weaving. It's like basket weaving. Check this out. I'm probably gonna mess this up, but look. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm putting it in, and then I'm getting it out like this, and I'm doing this. Watch. I'm gonna do this. It's a little thick, and then I have no more room to put this. Oh my God, I gotta get in there. So I gotta stick my finger in here. There's no polite way to do this. And I'm going to go like this. And I'm gonna stick it. See what I'm doing? I'm putting my finger in, I'm sticking all the sticky stuff to each other, and I'm pulling it up. And then I have to figure out how to get my hand out without sticking it down. It's really tricky, but here it goes. I think that'll work. And I'll let it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to put some sticks in there and pull it down a little bit. So it's going to sort of have a sphere-y bottom, but this will make it super strong. So yeah, I got to do this. You see what I'm doing? Colin, you see this? I'm pulling it down. And now I have to let it hang so that eventually it sags a little bit. I hope it sags. Yeah, I'm going to do that. See? I'll just sit here like this until it dries. I'm not going to do that. That's a bad idea because it's sticking to my finger. But you understand. So that's what I'm doing. And Colin, I'm going to keep working on this. And I'm going to finish this off in the paper mache. And I'm going to look for that water. We talked about getting like an animal balloon for the rings. I thought we should use some of these papers that I have. I have thick paper cut in slivers. And figure out a way to do this. I think that looks so cool. But Colin wants to make a big animal balloon around for the ring. And since it's Colin's Saturn, we'll do what Colin wants to do. But I'm going to try one more time to convince him to do something like this because this would look sweet. Even if we get a bunch of them. I don't have them here, but you'll see it. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, and one more thing. So I'm going to put this over to the side. Another thing Colin was interested in making was a Brachiosaurus. I knew them as brontosaurus, but he calls it a Brachiosaurus. Look at this. I built this with wood, with the boxes and this tape. It's coming apart. It's really... But look, check this out. Can you see this? It's made out of just pieces of cardboard, some duct tape, and this packing tape. But I'm thinking of making it operable so that like the Brontosaurus's neck will move like this. Colin wanted to make the neck with a big tube, so he started paper macheing this, but I think that's too big. But if you don't like this, Colin, I'm going to keep it because I love it. It's a Brontosaurus that moves. I'm still working on this. I got to fix it up. I got to get this a little more wet so the sticky stuff sticks. And I'm going to create this. I'm going to cap this off so that there's like sort of a hole in there. And then it'll be like this. So it'll be, and I got to figure out the head. But this is going to be a Brontosaurus Colin, do you like this? Kids, are you watching this? Do you like this? I think it's pretty cool. So that's what we're working on. We're doing papier-mâché stuff in the shop on Mondays and Wednesdays at our art studio. And if you want to come make a papier-mâché thing, I will help you build something like this that we will then papier-mâché and decorate, and you take it home eventually. Okay. So I wanted to show you, Colin. I'll see you on Wednesday. Okay, bye.